Yo, what's happening? What's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, so let's see. Let's remove that background. That's a different thing. Okay, anyway, today I am reacting to Eswatini music. Ninjani, before it. No, okay, never mind. So upscale, wait, S4 Jerry P and Inkanyeti featuring Lyrikal Busta. Lyrikal Busta, my friend, brother from another mother. You know what I mean? So here we are. Let's get to it without wasting any time. Did I say if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button. Also, go check out Lyrikal Busta's YouTube page, guys. This guy is on fire. I know a lot of people are surprised when they see Eswatini, how beautiful it is and stuff like that. But if you check out the art as well, oh my goodness. Anyway, let me not go into a rant.
Sibane sangwane umnyama kubovu wena uyinkanyeti Nangibuka sibuko ngibona likhawe ngithi kunjani inkanyeti Sibane sangwane noma kumnyama kubovu
Inkanyeti, for those of you who don't know, I think it means sunshine or shine. Yeah, something about that has to do with shine. Let me know in the comment section, guys. What is, let me see, do they have subtitles? Anyway, Siswati is kind of like a Zulu language, or yeah, but it's not. It has different wording, so that's why I'm confused. Because me, it's Zulu a little bit. Anyway, let's not get to that. Let's continue. Beautiful stuff, man. This is, I don't know, I think this is like a cultural side or something. You let me know in the comment section if you're from Eswatini, because I have seen this and every time I see it, I just want to go check it out. I don't know, it just seems like it'll be like a place where you get all the history of Eswatini and you get to know about Maswati, like how they lived before and stuff like that, and you get to experience it. So if you're going to Eswatini, go check it out.
Killing my vibe, bafana say checkos. Kwehle masoja ngathi sihlangabethe dinga ngaye airport. Lana ngashisha mntwanami. Nyokusehlahleni. Lana ngashisha mntwanami. Nyokusehlahleni. Sithi ungavukela umbuso uvikele uyeva phungula emhloli. Wena uthunyiwe uhambe emafe ukuthi uyoshaya ushunwa somhloli. Nangibuka sibuko ngibona likhawe ngithi kunjani inkanyeti. Sibane sangwane umnyama kubovu wena uyinkanyeti.
Hey, this is nuts, man. There it is, Lyrikal Busta, let's go. Hey. I really wish I knew what they were saying for real, because like, even just like, I guess this translation is just gonna take away from, you know, the of it. I don't know. Anyway, never mind, let me take it back a little bit. Njalo ebusuku ngithi kunjani kanye Sibane sangwane silomo sengosi ngithi kunjani kanye Nathi sebupha nathi sayalwa mfana musithungelahle imihambo Sithungelahle masiko Rap ngiphumelele umbiko Fasa ngathaka shomisa sele Vuka mfana kashiya amabele Titha daminya lo nyamalele Ongas bashiye belele Ngithi kunjani kanye Sakani ngosi thine sebupha
sangwane umnyama kubovu wena uyinkanyeti nambuka sibuko ngibona likhawe ngithi kunjani nkanyeti sibane sangwane noma
Lyrikal, I forget what the kawe means, but he is saying wait, let me take it back. Let's say Gabu Nangibuka Sbuko. When I saw the face, ngibona Lyrikal ngithi kunjani nkanyeti. I saw something and I said, "How are you, sunshine?" I think that's what I'm making this up. Anyway, man.
sangwane umnyama kubovu wena uyinkanyeti nambuka sibuko ngibona likhawe ngithi kunjani nkanyeti sibane sangwane noma kumnyama kubovu uyinkanyeti 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 wena uyinkanyeti 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 wena uyinkanyeti 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 wena uyinkanyeti 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 wena.
Man, they went all the way into cultural stuff. Yo, beautiful stuff, man. Upscaled S4. This video is on the Upscale YouTube channel. I don't know if it's a record label. And as for Jerry P, Inkanyeti featuring Lyrikal Busta. Big up to Eswatini. If you're from Eswatini, please hit that subscribe button now. Hit that like button. Also, let us know in the comment section the message of the song. Okay, you don't have to write the whole lyric. You can just let us know. Am I right or am I right? Did I translate it properly? Director Kwenu is one of the biggest guys out there in Eswatini. I think, like, you guys should go and record your music, whatever, in Eswatini. Director Kwenu will be holding you down. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, and go check out this guy's YouTube page, and you know what I mean. So